Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be making tamarind juice. This juice is so tasty and I'll not be adding sugar to this. I'll teach you how to make a tamarind drink and enjoy it without sugar. A very rich and healthy tamarind drink. So here are my tamarinds. I'm going to use all of these. I was able to get fresh tamarind from a store that I went to some days ago. Now I actually made this video, like this video has been on my phone for some time and I decided to finally post it today. The first thing I'm going to do is to transfer my tamarind into this bowl and then we'll move to the next thing. You guys, please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and do that. Support this channel by clicking on that subscribe button, like this video, turn on your post notification bell so that anytime I post videos on this channel, you will be the first person YouTube will notify. Also, do not forget to share this video so that it will get to everybody. And tamarind drink has a lot of health benefits, which I am going to discuss before the end of this video. Now I'm going to add water to my tamarind and then I'll use my hand to squeeze it a little bit. Now while doing this, you want to be careful. You don't rush it, okay? You want to be careful, don't rush it. If you don't take your time, this thing might, it might give you a cut. Yes, so you want to be gentle. You want to gently squeeze it. You want to gently squeeze it. Now the reason why I'm doing this is just so that I'll get everything out of it. Some persons can go ahead to even open up the tamarind and bring out the seed, but I didn't do that. Okay, so I'm just going to squeeze this out and then I'm going to remove the first juice. I'll go ahead to do this again. I'll add fresh water to this and then I will squeeze again, and that is it. Let's just keep watching. So at this point, I'm going to transfer everything into the pot. And then I will set this aside. I won't be cooking just this tamarind. I'll add other things to it to make this rich. Okay, so this is going to be a rich juice. Now, one of the things I'll be adding is my clove. Clove is going to give this a very nice taste. So let's just wash our clove. Now this washing step, like washing your clove, is not actually necessary. It is not necessary, okay, but you can do it because clove, like I think I've done it severally, not just on this particular video, but I've done, like I've tried washing cloves severally, and I at the end of the day I see that it doesn't even contain any form of dirt, like it's not dirty at all. So it's just a formality, so you can actually do without it. Now I'm also going to add ginger to this. I'm using dry ginger. That's what I have available. You can use fresh ginger. So this is what I have clove in here, tamarind, and I also have my ginger. Now I'm still going to add pineapple to this. Now towards the end of this video, I'll tell you the benefits of this drink, this juice. I'll tell you the benefits, and then I'm going to tell you the difference, or I'm going to tell you which one tastes better. Like to me, which one tastes better between this tamarind juice and our popular Zobo drink, our hibiscus tea, that is Zobo drink and tamarind drink. We'll find out which one tastes better between the both of them. Now I'm just going to go ahead and open up, peel my pineapple. So next I'll go ahead and cook this. I allow this cook for about 20 to 25 minutes. 20 to 25 minutes, that is how long I cooked this. You can cook more, you can cook less, depending on the heat. Okay, so like for someone who is cooking on high heat and someone who's cooking on low heat or medium heat, the cooking time may not be the same. So after cooking, I went ahead to sieve this. I'm going to sieve it just so that I remove everything. What we are trying to make is a juice. After sieving the first time, I added more water to it, and just to get everything out. Okay, so now this is first sieving. I'm going to sieve it again because I don't want anything to settle. Like, you know, when you package your juice, you now have something settle, and then when you want to drink it, you have some things inside. I don't like things like that. So I want a clear juice, like it's a drink, not a pap. So I'm going to get my cheesecloth and then I'll sieve it again, just like what I'm doing right now. Now this is all what I got out of it, sieving the second time. Tamarind drink has a lot of benefits. Now it is one drink that is very, very sweet, like very, very tasty. And the way I make this particular one without sugar, I'm still going to add flavor to it. Okay, you'll find out the flavor I'll be using before the end of the video. It tastes very nice, very, very okay. Now this drink has some benefits, like once you take it, there are things you should expect. Now it helps your heart a whole lot. It is very, very good for the heart. Yes, it improves heart health. And also, if you're battling with cholesterol issue, like bad cholesterol, you may want to consume this drink. Is good. And also, if you've added so much weight, if you're plus size and you want to reduce in size, tamarind drink is also good because it will help you maintain a good weight. It will help you lose weight if you consume it in excess. Okay, now tamarind drink is also good. It helps in digestion. It has other health benefits which I will advise you read up online. I allow this to cool. Okay, I don't like adding flavor to my drink when it is still hot or warm. I allow it to cool. Now this is the flavor that I'll be adding into this drink. This is tamarind flavor. This drink is going to enhance the taste of this particular drink. Okay, so this is it, so that you can see it very well. This is tamarind flavor. So if you go out there to buy, you just show them this. What I made is about 3 liters because my cup is 1.5 liters and I got 2 of this cup from my juice. That is 3 liters. Now this flavor I added is supposed to be added to 1.5 liters of drink, but I added it to 2 liters of drink. You know why? I've always told you guys why I do things like that sometimes. Like sometimes I don't want it too sweet. Maybe if I add it to just 1.5 liters of drink, it may be too sweet, or maybe it may be somehow so I just like to do it in moderation. Okay, now you want to add, as you're adding your flavor, add and then you taste it. If it is okay, you can stop adding. All right, now tasting this and tasting Zobo, if I have to say the truth, I will tell you that this is actually like, it's fine, it's tastier. It's not like Zobo is not good. Okay, the good thing about Zobo is that you can actually do it anyhow you want. You can do different flavors and stuff like that. But guys, I don't think we should call this a juice. Like this particular one that I made, I don't think we should call it a juice because it is way higher than a juice. It tastes like something else. Oh my god. Okay, thank you so much guys for watching. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to like this video, and do not forget to share. Okay, and always come back to watch videos on my channel. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video.